Respect isn't something you ask for, it's something you command. And it all starts with this simple action. Most people chase respect the wrong way. They talk too fast, try too hard, and react without thinking. They explain too much, interrupt, or try to impress. But all that noise, it pushes people away. You don't need to be louder or smarter. You need to be different, calm, controlled, unshakable. So what's the secret? How do you instantly stand out without saying a word? It's the pause, the 3-second rule. Before you speak, before you react, just pause, wait, breathe, let the silence grow. This tiny gap changes everything. Suddenly, people listen, they respect, because you're not rushing, you're owning the moment. Imagine walking into a room, everyone's talking, shouting to be heard. Then you step in, quiet, calm, unhurried. People feel it. They stop and notice. That silence, it's louder than words. It shows confidence, the kind that can't be faked. But here's where most people fail. They don't use the pause right. They fill the silence with nervous chatter. Don't be that person. After the pause, tilt your head slightly. Lower your voice. Speak slow and steady. This signals authority. People subconsciously lean in. They hang on your every word. No yelling, no pushing, just pure presence. Think of it like a lion's roar, not loud but commanding. You don't need to roar all the time, but when you do, everyone listens. Use this in meetings, arguments, or even casual talks. And watch how respect follows you everywhere. Respect isn't begged for, it's earned silently. Start pausing. Start owning your words. Do this once, and you'll never have to fight for respect again. Now, what will you choose? The noise or the power? If you want more ways to own your presence and control your life, hit subscribe and join the movement.